This is my 2006 Jeep Liberty, and the back latch just won't stay closed. So, gonna replace the latch right now. Well, I think the only tools we're gonna need here today is a T30 Torx bit. I've got a 1/4 drive ratchet because that's what my bit took. Maybe a flashlight so you can see in there a little bit better. And, well, the replacement part itself, let's just do a quick unboxing. This is a Dorman 931692 door latch actuator, and here's what it looks like. This is the brand new replacement. Picked this up for, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks on eBay. There it is right there. This is the latch. For me, this is the part here that wore out. You can see the electrical connection here. I think it provided spare clips for the rods, the control rods that are down inside there. And that's it. These are the tools and things you need. Now, the inside door cover is held on with just a few little fasteners along the bottom edge and on the sides. And on the top, there's some fasteners that, well, I've broken. Here, let me show you. Okay, here's that swing gate trim. You can see where those popped right off of there. And the same thing here on the top side. Those go to these slots here on the top. And really all I had to do is stick a screwdriver in there. You can use a metal spatula or one of those trim tools, and they just pull right out. But what happened with these guys here is, on the, I guess that's the third one down, I broke it right off. There it is. That's not focusing. There we go. So, well, there's 3 more, so that'll be fine. Remove all 3 of these bolts. One, 2, 3. Let me knock those off and move on. Now you can see it hanging loose down in there. This is that big old block like you saw on the new Dorman. I believe all I got to do is get this fitting off of that rod and pull back on this lever, the red part. There we go. Yep, the wire's in the way. And then kind of slip this off of there. There it goes. And the whole thing comes right out. Now let's get that connection undone. Just push this tab and it comes right off. Now just grab the new one, reinstall the electric, stick it up in there, grab your bolts, rotate that latch up into place, screw the bolts in, now let's check to make sure it works, of course. Oh yeah, oh, that's good. Ah, nice. Excellent. Okay, and then put the trim back together. Well, that's it. I hope this video helped you maybe with your project. Thanks for watching.